You are cooked if you're not watching these three stocks for Thursday's trading day. And as always, last night I gave you CRML for a beautiful 15% explosion to retest the highs here at 14. And well, odds are you missed it, but I have amazing news because tomorrow's top stock here is looking amazing. If you don't already know, my name's David and I give you the three most explosive stocks in the market every single day. Now without further ado, let's get right into the top stocks for tomorrow. First up on the list here is going to be on LUCY. What I'll be watching on Lucy here is for this to get breaking out of downtrend as it begins to drag on above the key level here. If and when you start to break out of downtrend here, I then want to watch for pivots right off of VWAP here around 1.8 for the range overhead up to 2 and then 2.3. This setup here looks amazing if we can get breaking out of downtrend and put in place bottoms here off of VWAP for that range overhead up to 2. Next up on the list here is going to be on NVVE. What I'll be watching on this name here going into tomorrow is for a breakout of downtrend put in place by these two highs here. Very similar to the last setup, just watch for that breakout of downtrend here and then watch for pivots above $4 a share for range overhead up to 5. Above 5 here, you have even more range overhead up to 5.8. The setup here looks amazing, just watch for that break of hive day at 4.4 and then watch for pullbacks to settle around 4 here for that range up to 5. Now, before I give you this last name here, be sure to drop a like and a follow because I give you the most explosive stocks in the market every single day. Now, that last name here is going to be on IMG. What I'll be watching on IMG going into tomorrow is for pullbacks to settle here right above this previous wick here at 1.5. If and when you start pulling back around 1.5 and you start establishing those higher lows here, this then looks amazing for the range overhead up to 2 and then 2.6. The daily here has a beautiful amount of range, but we need to continue confirming here with higher lows being put in place above 1.5. If you want access to see me trade these names live, as well as a pre-market watch list, a swing watch list, and everything else here that you see, then make sure you go claim your 7-day free trial. I promise you will not regret it. As always, mark up all your levels, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with an update.